Is your XTOOL diagnostic tool's alarm constantly buzzing? This issue usually stems from three key areas: buzzer settings, alerts, and power auto sleep modes. The problem persists in about 15 to 20% of devices, often due to software glitches rather than hardware faults. Let's address each to silence that annoying beep. First, check your buzzer settings in the Settings, Alerts, Buzzer menu. Lower the volume or adjust the trigger conditions. Next, review your alert configurations. Acknowledge any pending alerts or clear unnecessary ones. If auto sleep is the culprit, try disabling it temporarily or adjusting the sleep timer in power settings. Firmware updates can also fix these glitches. Check for and install the latest version via XTOOL's website or app. If problems persist, contact XTOOL support. Many technicians resolve similar issues through manual resets or firmware updates. As an alternative, try enabling app notifications and disabling the sound for your device.